Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and increase your FPS on Fortnite mobile. Really easy and simple. So come here at the top right, click on these three horizontal lines. That will bring up your settings. Now you want to click on the settings cog right here, okay? And then you basically just need to update your graphics quality settings. Reduce the graphics so that you can go ahead and get more FPS. So make sure your quality presets are low. 3D resolution, you want to make sure it's at least 50% or less. Okay. Texture quality, keep it at low. Downloadable, pre-downloaded cosmetic texture, make sure it's off. And then allow low power mode. You want to make sure that this is actually on. Okay. Allow low power mode so it can reduce settings as well. Make sure you get better FPS with that, and then you can come here to the game section. Okay, you can go ahead and click on energy saving. You can turn all of these off. Screen shakes intensity, you can go ahead and make this low. Invert steer method, you can go ahead and leave this. All of this you can leave. Okay, and your field of view you can go ahead and reduce as well to increase your FPS. Make sure all of these are actually off. You can turn these off as well. Okay, there we go. Then you can go ahead and save, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.